Okay, first things first, no judging of what's on my table. I love this table, that's why there's stuff on it. Don't judge my don't judge my keyboard. I know I need to get a new one. But we've got our food, we've got our notebook, our phone, fan, candles, hand support, all of these other things. Mic. This table is huge. It fits everything that I need. I absolutely love this table. Again, don't judge any of this stuff. I've been using it for a long time. If it's not broke, don't fix it. And that's why I've got this. That's why I've got this table here. I really love it. Let's go ahead and show you guys the under part of the table. So here, you can see if we zoom in here that we've got these parts where if you lift up the top here, it'll come up, and so these things lock itself in, and so you can't just like press up. Like if I'm literally trying it, so it's not coming up. So you guys can see that that thing is locked in there. It's also locked in there basically, but if you press up hard enough, it can come off. And that's how you set up the top part. And then here you can see that we have these little hinges here that allow the legs, I guess you could call them, the legs right here to fold in on themselves. Again, I'm not going to do it because obviously you guys already seen that I've got a bunch of stuff on my desk. And for me, it was extremely easy to set up. You've got this cross back right here. Again, same thing over here. You've got your thing right here. You've got this down here, and then that folds, and then the same thing on this side right here, and right here. So everything is just all easy, convenient to set up. You can see I got it in the carpet. Obviously, it's going to leave those little indentions in the carpet and stuff like that. But I absolutely love this thing. As you guys can see, it's able to hold everything. This is real life. You know, I'm not going to sit up here and clean my desk or whatever the case may be. This is what I actually use the desk for. You guys get a chance to see real world, old keyboards, all of that other stuff. Let's take a look at the condition of the wood here. So it feels nice. It feels really nice and smooth. It feels good. It looks good. It does everything that it needs to do. Holds up everything. Obviously, you guys can see I've used this a lot, and there's not any crazy scratches or anything like that. There's nothing. So all I can say for myself is that I absolutely love this table, or else I wouldn't have it, and you guys wouldn't see it this way. So yeah. Do I recommend this table? Of course I recommend this table. I don't recommend letting your keyboard get to this level or your little mouse pad get to this level, but I do recommend the table.